How do you find daily buyers? This is a very difficult topic for a lot of traders, most especially the ICT traders. They are new to ICT concepts, learning it. And most importantly, those who just join ICT concepts in doing mentorship videos. So um, daily buyers is quite easy, quite simple. It's not as hard as a lot of people actually made it to look like or see. If you watch ICT videos so well, ICT himself has given you a lot of clues, a lot of tips on how to get these things. One of the things I learned from ICT is the part that ICT says that once it's opened its charts, it's looking for where the inefficiencies, the imbalances on the market, then followed by where the old highs and old lows. Now, finding daily buys as simple as that. Knowing where the imbalance are and where the old high and old lows are is the key to your daily buyers. Why? Because according to ICT teachings, the algorithm look to fill imbalances in the market. So the algorithm is looking for imbalance in the market. After imbalance, the next thing is old high, old low, which simply is a liquidity. So I'm going to apply this concept for you and show you how to find the daily buyers. So let's use my chart, Euro USD chart. Um Price is here, right here, July 19th. So now price created a swing high, lower high to the left, lower high to the right. The swing high has been formed. What does this mean that there's a possibility that price might want to retrace. This is a bullish market, right? Want to retrace. So what is likely to go to next? We have imbalance in this candle right here and an imbalance here. When you measure the move, the midpoint of it, which is half of it right here, is the first focus that price likely reach for if it will trace. Okay, so but however, this last candle, it closed form of a rejection to the imbalance actually here that it actually came to fill. So this is 100% certain that price will reverse. So the next day, you might have to go on lower time frame to see clearly this swing I formed and see what has price done and what price will likely to do next. Or just sit out the next day until you see a clearer information or daily charts. And then it happened. The next day, price closed strongly bearish. What does this mean? That it simply means that price is coming to this midpoint of this range as a first target. We have imbalance inside of it, and below it also have imbalance below it as well. Coupled with also have this old high right there. So a lot of things price can be reaching for. Okay. Now, what if price broke this low? We also have these smooth lows right here, equal lows, also form of liquidity. But take it one step at a time. For now, we hope that price will reach this midpoint. So next day we sell, and what happened is sold. Next day again, sell, and then price reach this midpoint, sold into it, and I reject the midpoint. What does it mean? It means that price is kind of sort of reacted to this imbalance at this midpoint. Does that mean that price will retrace or price will continue going higher? We don't know yet. So there's no assurance what price will do on the next day. But midpoint has been reached and price close above the midpoint. So what does that mean? It means that what sort of imbalance at both price right there. These are imbalance right there. Is the imbalance. So um imbalance above, imbalance below. This is now 50-50 bias for me. So but because of how this candle close within this range inside this imbalance, I might go to lower time frame to clearly fine tune to see clearly what actually happened on this day and to help me to frame my bias for the next day. But if I still want to follow based on how this candle close, I'll just say, fine, the next day I'll be buying. This is my two on liquidity. And happen next day, price bought to reach the imbalance. Yeah, it didn't go up, but it does not close very well. But it did form a swing low right at the zone. This up is still left untouched, and also this down imbalance. So next day, what my bias for next day? Next day, I want to believe that price will reach for this imbalance. What happened? Price went up and then did what? Sold as well at the same time. So price took out both um, um, liquidity above and also liquidity below. So now this is strongly bearish for me. So I will be hoping that price reach the imbalance below. And I won't change this bias until I see a clear market move that shows that price doesn't have any interest of reaching this imbalance below. It want to go higher now. So next day, looking forward, sell. It's bought a little bit, but it still gave a little small selling on this day. Next day again, continue looking forward, sell. So price touch this old low here and sold off from there. Sell until this place is reached. Now, price reach our imbalance close above the midpoint of it, which signs of bullishness to some extent, right? But remember that we still have the equal lows right there, which is a form of liquidity or price that price will seek to take out. And so what will be the for the next day? Simple. You can just sit out. It's not clear. You see, one key to biases, you need a one-sided move. The move has to be one-sided. As simple as that. The move has to be one-sided. So clean, smooth, and clear to you. If it is not clear to you, it is not your trade. So don't take it. So next day, but just sit out, or just look for price again. What is price showing you? Imbalance respected. What do you have above? The price can actually reach for this old high. Also have this up candle, which is a form of bearish order block. So price can seek to reach it, from there, sell off from them to take out this old low. So what happened? Next day, price went up. Next day again, went up, reach the up candle, low here. Perfect. When price reach it, what are you looking for next? You want to see how price will react to it, and here price actually reacted to it very well. Price reacted to this what? It closed below it and also below this up candle as well. So that's a form of bearishness. So for me, this day on, you sell. Look, what was the focus? This low be taken out and this low. Sell, sell. This day price went up to test this candle again, but it ended up selling. Sell, sell, sell. Now, from here, you can see from here down to here, we have a clean sell move. Very clean sell move. This can be your own model. You don't have to pick top and bottom. Just look for a one-sided move. Okay, now let me show you an example now. You have a swing low formed right here. This is bullish. So from this day down to this stop, you buy. This can be your own model. Your own bias is that look for one-sided move. As a beginner, look for what? One-sided move. Don't try to, when it's not clear to you, close your chart. Don't treat it that day. Wait until price give you more information. This, as a beginner, will save from a lot of losses and give you clarity and assurance in your trade. So now, price would now reach this old low here. This candle was bullish. It's closed bullish. Some would still answer that, okay, it's a swing low formed already. So next they don't want to buy. But when you look at it, there's no imbalance at both price it can be reaching for. We really have this old low. Which price can reach for on the next day. But overall, should be focusing on what? On selling this old low right here. Yeah, that's it. So this single candle for me is not enough to change the entire structure to become bullish. It can't change my bias to become bullish. Until I see a clear move, I will believe that price is still selling. So next day, if I'm not sure, I can just sell based on the fact that we are trading bearish. Of course, it is not clean. I will not use my full risk or just sit out the market on that day. Now, this day price delivered something beautiful, right? You see right there. Touch this low, perfect, exact low, and then sold off. So next day, I'm selling. So price tap, took out these old lows, close above it right there. Now, does this mean that price now reversing now? Like I said earlier, one single candle structure is not powerful enough to change entire structure of a trend. Is not. So next day, I can ignore this candle and still go for sell. Looking forward that this old low will be taken out. This low. They become my focus now. Or I might wait next day trying to see what price will do. So this day is sold. The next day is my own trade now. Sell. Next day too, sell. But it's closed bullish. Fine. Maybe this day I lose a trade. It's all right. Next day again, I'll still wait for what? Sell on this day. It's also closed bullish. Maybe I lose. Fine. Now it's now closed with a swing low, clear swing bullish low. So next day, I want to believe that price will give some retracements up. So this high, my target. So this day, I will buy. So this is a buying day for me. And the price touches this old high, took it out, close this old low, then close below the low and old high right there. This for me is a sign that price is not fully bullish. It wants to go lower. So next day, looking for sell. Sell to take out this old low and this low, and then sell. Keep looking for sell. On this day, a swing low formed, right? So my focus will then be that we have old low here, which also has imbalance inside of it, which price might be reaching for, coupled with this bearish order block. So next day, look for buy to this place. Then price bought, it then closes as more like initial candle. Then that means from next day on, I'll be looking for sell or just start the next day. Why? Look for more information. But on this day, I'm looking for sell to this low. Sell, sell. This day, maybe I sold, price close bullish, I lose. Fine. Easy to look for what? Sell again. It's also close bullish. Maybe I lose as well. It's all fine. Now, we did have a swing low formed. What do you have here? Imbalance. So I want to believe that price will seek to reach for this imbalance plus this um bearish order block inside of it. So next day, once price touches bearish order block, I'll be selling right there. Sell, sell, sell. Low has been taken out. What next? The left also have equal lows. So that then become my new target for price to sell to. So sell, sell, sell. Now on this day to sell, but price close bullish. Fine. That means I lose on that day. Is all right. Or if I didn't have any trade to take on that day, it's still all right. So we did have a clear swing low. Yeah, okay, we did have a swing low. Above price, we have imbalance, which price can be reaching for. So on the next day, I might buy to this imbalance idea or just sit out because I'm not fully sure if price is reaching for this imbalance or is still sell lower. So this day, sit out. It also happens to be a Friday, right? Price touch it, close below the imbalance right there. Perfect. So Monday for me is sell. Tuesday, sell. Where is the sell? The price on Wednesday close bullish. So what next? Let me clear these charts a little bit to make it clean. We have imbalance, which price reach this day, Wednesday, close below it and below the mid threshold of this bearish order block. So Thursday, for me, I'll be looking for to sell, take out this old low. But he bought on that day. So on this day, I actually had a loss on this day. So when it's happened on Thursday, that means on Friday is a buying day. So I'll look for to buy. Why? This old high is my target, the price to take out this old high. We have a swing, bullish swing low formed, so clean and smooth. Price also closed above the half of this imbalance right there. So everything is saying bullish for now. A bullish retracement on price. And so on Friday, I'll look to buy and it's closed bullish. So next day, which is Monday, is also bullish as well. Until I see a clear swing high formed that shows that price now to reverse now to take out old lows. That is when I'll be looking to sell. Let me show you where is price going to next on USD now. We have this clean old low. Price can be reaching for it. So simple as that. I hope this is clear. If you enjoyed this video, drop your comment, share the link. Also give this video a like, a thumb up. So see you in the next video. Thank you guys. And if it's not clear to you, please ask your questions in the comment section. I'm going to reply your questions and also I'm going to deposit a video for you on it. Thank you.